Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, clarification on the engine used in India's Zorawar light tank. Alex Zeno, Director of Business Development and Future Program at Rolls-Royce, has set the record straight regarding the engine for India's Zorawar light tank. He confirmed that the MTU-8V 199 TE21 engine is needed powering the Zorawar tank. Zeno also confirmed that engine was delivered to L&T OEM of the light tank program. Next, IAF seeks private sector assistance for major repairs on IL-76 aircraft. The Indian Air Force is actively seeking the expertise of Indian private sector companies to undertake substantial repairs on two of its IL-76 aircraft which have sustained significant damage to their undercarriage and associated airframe structure. These aircrafts are currently grounded at the Chandigarh Air Base, and the IAF is looking for an industrial partner to carry out the necessary repairs on site. Next, awaiting IAF's decision on Jaguar fleet. Rolls-Royce, the engine manufacturer for the Indian Air Force Jaguar fighter jets, has acknowledged that the decision on the future of these aircraft rests with the IAF. The company has expressed its commitment to supporting the IAF's choice, regardless of whether it involves continued operation or eventual retirement of the Jaguar fleet. Next, Russia upgrades Su-30 engine. Russia has announced a change in engine plans for its Su-30 SM fighter jets, opting for the AL-41 FC-1 engine from 2025 onwards. According to Oleg Pankov, chief designer of the Su-30 program, this decision comes as India, the primary operator of the Su-30 Mk1I variant, has chosen to maintain its existing AL-31F engine. The AL-41 FC-1 engine boasts increased power and improved fuel efficiency compared to the AL-31F. Russia's decision to switch engines suggests a focus on enhancing the performance of its Su-30 SM fleet, and also due to factor that same engine is also used on the Su-35 fleet. Next, Indian Zorawar versus Chinese Type 15 light tank, a comparative analysis. As light tanks continue to play a crucial role in modern warfare, two light tanks that might face each other in event of the war need comparative analysis. Both India and China have developed advanced models to enhance their respective military capabilities. India's indigenous Zorawar light tank, developed by Larsen & Toubro in collaboration with the DRDO, stands as a significant achievement. China's Type 15 light tank showcases impressive technological advancements. Highlight the Zorawar light tank and the Type 15 light tank both exemplify the advancement in light tank technology by India and China respectively. While the Zorawar emphasizes versatility, indigenous development and strategic mobility, the Type 15 boasts advanced firepower, modern sensors and enhanced crew comfort. Both tanks, with their unique features and capabilities, significantly contribute to their nation's defense strategies. Next, United States keeps its next-gen fighter jet close to their vest. The NG Air Dominance program is the U.S. Air Force's ambitious plan to develop a sixth-generation fighter jet unlike any other. This system of systems aims to maintain American air superiority well into the future. Understandably, the U.S. may be hesitant to export this cutting-edge technology. Sharing NGAD with other countries, no matter how close, introduces the risk of the technology being compromised or falling into the wrong hands. Thanks.